Change yourself, change the world. Every one of us shall give account of himself to God. Romans chapter 14 verse 12. I do not quarrel with Karl Marx's statement that religion is the opiate of the people. I never try to defend religion. Religion has spawned wars. Many so-called religious people have been characterized by prejudice, pride, bickering, and even tolerance for slavery. However, I would call you to a simple faith in Jesus, who said, "Love your neighbor as yourself." Are you really concerned? Are you disappointed with society? If you are, I challenge you to take the first step. I challenge you to look at yourself. Prayer for the day. Forgive me, for so often failing to love my neighbor. May my life speak to others of your love and compassion, Lord Jesus Christ.